I'm Kimberly. I'm here at a yoga retreat because I once had a massive stroke and I had no walking abilities and no arm. So after I was almost healed, I heard about yoga. So I work with Dr. Scornia, and she taught me how to, symmetrically use my body. And Reggie was there. He taught me to breathe. And that improved my life so much. I came back here today, 7 years after I met them, about 2 years since I've left them, and to renew my practice. And everything is good here. Like, it's calm. The food is delicious. And I've just been brought into a welcoming place that I love so much. So that's why I'm here.